Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open DBS Bank account in Singapore. So from there, you just have to select customer type. So the application method depends on your residency status. So the first step that you have to do is to visit the DBS Bank account opening page and specify if you're a Singaporean, a Singapore resident or SG citizen or PREP holder, or a foreigner. So next is to choose your account product. So here are the popular options, which is the DBS multiplayer account, DBS treasures account, and DBS savings account. So just have to select the account that best suits you and multiplier for high interest savings based on usage. So third is to identify verification. So from here, you just have to select how you want to verify. So you can also use a SingPass, which is the fastest one, or you can do the manual application, which is to upload your documents. So Singapore residents should use SingPass for instant verification and pre-filling of personal data. For foreigners, they must choose the manual upload. Next is to fill and submit application form. So you just have to review the autofill data and complete remaining fields like employment status and tax declarations. Lastly is to receive confirmation and start banking. So once your application is approved, you can set up the digibank application. So if approved instantly via SingPass, you can immediately download the DBS Digibank application and set up your security credentials like the digital token. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!